Good day, ladies and gentlemen, I'm Dr. Ingky, your digital skin doctor. And today we'll be speaking on retinol and how we can actually incorporate it into your skincare. Now, first up, introduction to retinol. Retinol has been long touted as one of the best active ingredients to be used in your skincare. There are many benefits of retinol. Short-term use of retinol will actually help reduce sebum production and help regulate the amount of oil that your skin produces. That means that it helps not only with acne, but it helps with blackheads, whiteheads, and help reduce the amount of sebaceous filaments on your skin. Long-term use of retinol will help increase collagen production and skin turnover. It means that it helps reduce wrinkles, it helps reduce fine lines, and at the same time give you a healthier skin as we age gracefully. There is actually a third function of retinol which a lot of people do not know, is it actually helps absorb the rest of your active ingredients much more effective. Because there is an increase in collagen production, a lot of times when you apply vitamin C and you apply your antioxidants on top, it actually absorbs at a much quicker pace. Even though despite it being a superstar ingredient, a lot of people do struggle with applying retinol. There are a few downsides of retinol if applied wrongly. First of all, it can actually over dry your skin. As retinol helps reduce the amount of sebum production, sometimes overuse of retinol can actually make your skin too dry. And if your skin becomes too dry and too irritated, what happens is the skin barrier gets disrupted and you're gonna get epidermal water loss. That means that the skin actually gets drier and drier as time goes by. Another issue with retinol is even though it promotes cell turnover, it also increases the risk of purging. Now, for those who want to know what purging is, you can actually click on one of our videos up here whereby we have explained the difference between breakout and purging. Purging generally occurs because dead skin cell gets trapped under the pores, and because it's unable to come out, you actually get an accumulation of sebum and dead skin cell under the pores, and that actually causes what we call purging. Now today, myself, Dr. Ingky, I'll be teaching you how to apply retinol to minimize the risk of skin dryness, skin irritability, and as well as purging. Now what we have here is, in front of us, we have two types of retinol. One is a cream form and one is a serum oil form. So the cream form is from a product called Nihon, whereby it contains roughly 1 to 1.5% retinol. And as well as the oil form or the serum form is from The Ordinary, whereby it contains retinol 1% in squalene. As retinol is an oil-soluble product, it should always be applied after your moisturizer. The reason why it's applied after the moisturizer, because you do not want direct contact of retinol with your skin, because that will actually increase the chances of skin irritability. So the first thing you should always do is continue your skincare routine. Use a cleanser, a toner, a moisturizer, and after that, you can apply your retinol. Now, retinol should always be confined to night use only and not day, because it can actually cause your skin to be extra sensitive to sunlight. Alright, enough talking, let's show you how it's done. First of all, for any retinol products, you should always only use a pea size. And what is a pea size? This is a pea size. So this will be more than sufficient for your entire face after your moisturizer. You should always apply it uniformly throughout your skin. Do not apply big lumps here and there, because when you have too much retinol at certain areas, it might actually over dry your skin. Do also avoid applying retinol around the lips, because it can actually over dry your lips. Now that is if it's a cream form. How about if it's an oil or a serum form? Now, how much should you actually use? So we have The Ordinary 1% in squalene, and should only use 2 to 3 drops, not the entire dropper, but just 2 to 3 drops on your skin. Now what you can do is, to prevent it from touching your skin directly, you can always apply 2 to 3 drops on your palm first, rub it around, and then apply it all over your face. make sure it's spread uniformly. Make sure you also get it around your ears and your neck areas. If you're a beginner in retinol and if you've never used retinol products, always start with a low dose retinol. Some products actually come out with a 0.5% retinol, 1% and even up to 2%. So if you're a retinol newbie, please start at the lowest dose possible. Secondly, do not use retinol on a nightly basis if you have never used retinol before. You want your skin to be used to retinol, so you need to ease the retinol into your skincare. Please start with only using retinol twice a week. And after 2 weeks, if you do not see any skin irritation or any purging, you can start using it 3 times a week. And after 2 more weeks, you can use it on a daily basis. If you are facing skin irritation or you're facing purging, should you stop your retinol? No, you shouldn't. What you should do is you should cut down the amount of retinol that you're using. Maybe you're just using too much retinol or you're using it too frequently. So instead of just using every day, you can cut it down to probably just twice a week until your skin is used to retinol. However, not everybody is suitable for retinol, and despite doing all the steps of reduction of use of the creams or the products, and as well as reduction of frequency, and you're still getting skin irritability, you might want to stop retinol completely. Also, if you're using retinol products, please avoid using too harsh acids like glycolic acid and salicylic acid at the same skincare routine. Means that if you want to use acids or anything which causes exfoliation of the skin, you might want to use it on the days that you're not using retinol. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope this video has helped you a lot. Do not be afraid of retinol because it's a superstar product and it will actually help you from a very, very young age to a very old age. Retinol can be used in your 20s up to, well, there's no upper limit. So ladies and gentlemen, that's it from me, Dr. Ingky, your skin doctor. And if you actually like this video, please click like, subscribe and comment below if you are having any issues with retinol. And please let us know what is your favorite retinol products. Also help share this video with your family and friends if you feel that they will benefit from us. That's it from me, I'm Dr. Ingky, and as always, stay healthy, stay safe, and most importantly, stay informed. Are you tired of wasting time and money on your skin, but nothing works? We are here to help. Skynfyx is a platform that provides personal care education completely free. Skynfyx is run by skin doctors and skincare experts. You can chat and consult with our skin doctors without ever leaving your home. Other than free advice, Skynfyx also provides tailor-made solutions for your skin problem with customized medical-grade skincare delivered right to your doorstep. Skynfyx, your digital skin doctor.